In addition to refilling the CleanBlastPRO with a small bottle of 3M Novec 72DA, users can also utilize the large bottle. To use this canister, a separate refill assembly is required. One end of this refill assembly is attached to the large bottle, while the other shorter end is attached directly to the handset. The first step in using the large refill auto assembly is to turn the refill cap counterclockwise and begin depressurization. Once the depressurization is complete, the attachment assembly can be attached to the refill ports. Make sure that you connect the label marked top to the top port. Once that is attached, you can see all of the information on the screen, and it indicates hold for autofill. At this point, I'll press and hold the dial to begin the autofill process. This typically takes about 3 minutes to fully refill the tank. Once the CleanBlastPRO is fully refilled, the LCD screen will indicate fill completed, and it'll indicate fluid at 100%. Next, you'll want to remove the fill connector by pinching down on the top and bottom levers of the connector and gently pulling back. The next step is you'll want to disconnect the handset and disconnect from the bottle. Put the cap back on your large container and store that in a secure environment. And close the refill cap. And that's how to refill the CleanBlastPRO using the auto method with a large container.